welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I actually had no intention of making a video today. I had a dentist appointment, and on my way home from the dentist, I passed by a Crumbl store in our town. And I had read that this past week's special was the Dubai chocolate pistachio brownie. So it was calling my name, and I was thinking about it for a few days, so I had to stop in there and buy one so I could bring it home and we could do a taste testing. But I just want to tell you something I printed about that brownie. It says for the past year, the Dubai chocolate has been on everybody's mind. It's been going viral. Since it hit TikTok, it's just exploded. And it tells you here, well, I'll read it. It tells you here, it's the combination of chocolate, pistachio, and I think I'm saying this word right, katafi. And they have spun it into ice cream bars, milkshakes, even lattes. But the most popular has been the brownie. So Crumbl decided to throw their hat in the ring and make the Crumbl brownie. So when I stopped there, they had a sign outside, which they don't usually do, advertising the Dubai brownie. And I don't know, they come in different sizes, the mini and the regular. I bought a regular one. I think they're a little pricey, but that's just me. I mean, it's $7.98 for the brownie. And I'm going to take it out and show you what it looks like. I mean, it's substantial, but it's the same as their cookies. They're very expensive. And if you buy like a box of 4, I think that was like $17.99. It's expensive. But maybe that's just me. It's coming from a baker. And what else does it say? Oh, it turns out that since they launched these brownies, you ready for this? They've racked up nearly 50,000 reviews on them. That's a lot of reviews. And the average rating for this brownie was 4.5 stars. So I'm not going to give you all the information I printed out, because we're really here to taste this brownie today and see what it tastes like. But let me see if there's anything else I want you to know. Apparently, it's a layer of chocolate brownie topped with a creamy pistachio and katafi filling. I don't know what katafi is. If you know, tell me in the comments. And then it's covered in chocolate and pistachio cream. And it says here, in true Crumbl fashion, they're huge. Each one is a 3.5-inch square and over an inch thick. So I guess it's pretty big, but it better be for $7.95. So anyway, I'm going to take it out of the box and I'm going to see what I think. Oh, and before I do, the most important part, let me find my little paper here. And I did not know this till recently. When you buy a Crumbl cookie or like this brownie, you might see, oh, that it's so many calories. So Crumbl sells these. And you know, I'm a sucker for this kind of stuff. They're $5. I figured I could use it again. But they sell these and they're supposed to fit all their cookies and brownies. It says Crumbl on it, and then when you turn it over, you can see when you press it down on the cookie or the brownie, it divides it into 4. So if you're watching your calories, let me just tell you what I found. This brownie, let me take it out of the box. And this is what it looks like, and I'll put a picture in for you. There you go. Can you see that? Turn it around. And this brownie This is the full-size brownie to 1,010 calories for the entire brownie. So when you see that and you think, oh, it's 1,000 calories. Yeah, but no. You have to take this and put it on top, and you split it into 4 sections. And that, you divide that by 4, and that's how many calories 1/4 of that brownie is. So if it says it's 1,000 calories, no, that's for the whole thing. If you divide it, then it is 1,000, let's say, divided by 4. So know that when you're eating one of those big brownies or cookies, if you ate this whole brownie, it could probably be about 1,000 calories, which is probably, well, if you're watching your calories and you're supposed to have 1,200 a day, this is probably your calories for the day. So I am going to cut this into 4s now because I want to taste it and I know others here do. So you put this on the 4 corners like that, and you just press it down, and it smashed it. Let me get my fork and take it out. There we go. Well, that one, anyway, broke it into 4s, okay? So now let me, someone hand me a napkin over there, please. I have my son here, Scott, and you know Lucas. Lucas, would you like to taste some of this Dubai brownie? Huh? Yeah? All right. I'll give you this piece that broke because you don't care.
It's too big.
Well, there, that's not big here. Okay, take it over there. Take your time eating it and wait till I'm done, and then we'll see what you thought. Scott, would you like a piece? Oh, you're going to have one later? All right. So here we go. I have 1/4 of this here, and I'm going to taste it and let you know what I think. So. It's very thick and rich. The brownie is very good. It's one of those thick, moist brownies. It's not a dry brownie. Let me see about this pistachio cream. Now, recently, my friend Maureen and I, we went to a Turkish cafe and bakery, and I ordered a chocolate Dubai cheesecake. And I noticed that when they put the pistachio in here, it's not always like the pistachio we're familiar with. It's sort of like, I don't know, I can't explain it. More like a nutty pistachio. Oh, Lucas is leaving now. Let me see what he thought. Lucas, what did you think of the brownie?
Sweet.
It's sweet, you said? But was it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, he said it was good, but it was sweet. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
He's going out. All right, let me continue to taste this. So I'm noticing that the filling in here, the pistachio layer, is the same as it was in the Turkish bakery that we went to. The wonderful bakery. Opened up in my town, I don't know, a few months ago, and it's fantastic. I would definitely go back. They decorated it beautifully. There's booths in there and tables and so many desserts. Someday I'd like to go in there and see if they let me video and talk to them. But their pistachio tastes just like this. So let me see. The pistachio has a crunch to it. And it doesn't have that almond flavor that you think of. No. And then the top is chocolate frosting. Let me taste that. All right. So My opinion is the brownie is delicious. Very good. But I'm with Lucas. This is very sweet. Of 1 to 10, because it's so sweet, honestly, I'm going to give it a 5. And I know that probably sounds surprising to you, but it's just too sweet for me. And I'm going to let my son taste a quarter of it shortly and see what he thinks. But let me just tell you, I went on Google and there was a team of people on there that tasted this, and they gave the pros and cons. So let me see what they said. These were only going to be in Crumbl till August 23rd. Now maybe if they're popular, sometimes they rotate and they'll bring them back. But August 23rd, they're pulling it from the store, from the rotation. So I'll just read it to you. It says here that Crumbl's version of the Dubai brownie stayed true to the classic formula with the layer of chocolate brownie topped with a creamy pistachio and katafi filling. Maybe that's that katafi filling in there. I just don't know what that is. I should have looked it up. Let me know if you know. And then covered in chocolate and pistachio cream. Now, I guess they're considering this drizzling on the top. Can you see it? Pistachio cream. They're a little bit chintzy with that, though. There's not much of it on there. The other critiques were, they said they want more pistachio. When you taste the filling and drizzle it, you get a nutty floral flavor. But as a complete bite, it was too little and too subtle. So I agree. I get a lot of sweetness, a lot of chocolate. I like the brownie on the bottom. It's not too sweet. But once you get past the brownie into this filling and that chocolate on top, I think it's sweet. Would I probably buy it again? Personally, no. I'm sure there's some people that absolutely love it and would, but this is my honest opinion. So let me get my son over here and let him taste it, see what he thinks. Everybody has different taste buds. Here, Scott, I'll pass it over to you. See what you think. I am just swallowing. I don't have a drink here. I'm just swallowing a piece of that chocolate. It's way, way too sweet. No, I'm sticking with my 5. I really am. But you see people coming out of there with boxes. And I'm telling you, like if I was to get 4 of these, they would be $17.99 for 4 of them. Something happened to my camera and the video got blurry. But I wanted to let you know that my son's opinion was that it was sweet, but he seemed to like it. I asked him if he would buy it again, and he said probably. So what I was going to start to read to you was something that was on social media about the brownie and what they felt about it. And I have to agree that I feel the same way. They said that their team shared the same gripe. The top layer of milk chocolate is just too thick. And I agreed with that because when I went to cut it in 4s with their little divider, it was hard to push it through and it cracked. And they said that they wished for more of the pistachio layer and less of the chocolate. And they agreed with me that the thickness made it harder to break into smaller bites. And it overwhelmed some of the pistachio flavor. And that's how I felt. So the bottom line is they want more pistachio and less chocolate. So the idea is those cookies and brownies are so big that people buy them and then they divide them in 4 and they share them. And they all taste the different ones. Son ate the rest of it. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you all very soon. Have a great weekend. Toodles!